Are you struggling because of your bad credit? Well, you're not alone. CreditFit can provide the personalized service you need to clean up your credit and increase your credit score. CreditFit is a reliable and affordable service focused on producing great value and giving you the best advice and information to help with your financial issues. Call us today and you'll receive the free CreditFit Idea Kit. The Idea Kit is filled with consumer credit tips, expert advice, and guiding principles endorsed by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission. No matter how difficult or stressful your circumstances, CreditFit is here to help. So what are you waiting for? Getting started is easy. Give us a call right now for a free consultation and make your commitment to become CreditFit.